Okay, this is eye model. Eye model, and this is the interior surface of the eye. So this structure is called superior palpebrae, inferior palpebrae. This eyelid, superior eyelid, inferior eyelid. You have to write down superior palpebrae, inferior palpebrae, and this is called lacrimal duct, lacrimal gland, produces tears, and this was lacrimal gland right here, and tiny the passage is called lacrimal duct. Okay, superior palpebrae, levator superior palpebrae muscle. This one, it will elevate the superior palpebrae muscle. Okay, and this one is there is tiny hole in there. See right here, tiny hole right here. Also in the up here, they are called puncta. Okay, punctum, whatever you want to say. And tear from the tear gland moisten this eye, moisten the eye, and tears comes from puncta, enters from the puncta and passes through this lacrimal duct, which is called canaliculi, lacrimal canaliculi. Okay, and the lacrimal canal drains into the lacrimal sac right here, lacrimal sac. From there, it passes through this nasal lacrimal duct. This nasal lacrimal duct goes all the way down here, okay, to the inferior concha right here, superior, middle, inferior concha, okay, and opens to the inferior concha, and your nose becomes stuffy because of tears. Okay, this one is called medial commissure. This one is a posterior commissure. This white structure here is canaliculi, caruncle. Okay, these are caruncle. And if you remove this area right here from here, from this area, outer portion, the white portion of the eye is called sclera. Okay, sclera, and these are the fibrous tunic. They are called fibrous tunic. They are called sclera, white portion. Okay, and this one is called cornea. Cornea is also fibrous tunic. This is cornea is transparent. Okay, it helps to concentrate light into the convert light into the lens. Okay, this is cornea, right? So if you see inside the below posterior side of the eyelids, these are called Meibomian glands, which is located in the tarsal plate. These are tarsal plate, and this line is called glands. Right? They release sebum. They are sebaceous gland. They release sebum, and it helps to prevent from sticking eyelids together. So this structure right here, all these are palpebrae conjunctiva. Okay, these are, and outside here, this is structure bulbal conjunctiva right here. Conjunctiva is a epithelial tissue covers these sclera. Okay, inside the eye. Okay, infection of this conjunctiva is called conjunctivitis. And if you talk about the muscles, superior to the eye, this is called superior rectus, lateral rectus, medial rectus. Okay, and this one superior oblique, and this one underneath right here, this is inferior oblique. Inferior rectus is also right here in the bottom. You cannot see. So if you open this, open this one. Okay. We remove this area, this sclera. Behind the sclera, you see choroid. Choroid is a vascular tissue. It helps to absorb light. Okay, and they are supplied by the blood vessels and nerves. If you open this structure, you will see lens inside. Okay? Lens supposed to be here. Okay, lens supposed to be here, and the lens is covered by this posterior cavity. This is a posterior cavity. This is a posterior cavity. So anterior cavity has anterior chamber, and behind the lens has posterior chamber. It consists of aqueous humor, watery fluid. Okay, watery fluid. That's aqueous humor. It maintains the pressure inside the eye. Otherwise, person can have glaucoma. With too much water inside builds up, that can cause glaucoma. Okay, so to remove pressure, it has to be drained. Canal of Schlemm you cannot see here, but it has to be drained. Okay, all the time. So this is the anterior chamber, posterior chamber. These are called suspensory ligament, and this area border between retina and this muscle is called ciliary
body.
no ciliary body.
Sphincter, ciliary sphincter.
Ora serrata.
Or
Ora serrata, okay. And you can see here also ciliary body, see right here around this area, ciliary body. And if you go posterior cavity is filled with the vitreous humor, thick liquid, okay. So all the image will passes through this vitreous humor and goes to the retina, okay. This is a vitreous humor, posterior cavity. And if you remove this area and you can see inside, so inside the retina, you will see the structure right here. This structure, this is a fovea centralis, where a lot of cone found in this area, pigment. Okay. So fovea centralis, around the fovea centralis right here, this area is called macula lutea. Macula lutea. And from the image, after image formation, it has to be transmitted through this disc, optic disc. And optic disc opens to the optic nerve. Okay, optic nerve comes out from there. This optic disc, where you have there is no rod and cones, and that's what it is called blind spot. And the image will passes through this optic canal, optic disc, right? Optic disc passes through this area right here, optic canal, the optic nerve. Optic nerve, and optic nerve bifurcates. See the branch. Wherever they bifurcate, this area is called optic chiasm, right? Optic chiasm. And when they enter inside the brain, this area is called optic tract. What else I have to tell you? Optic tract. Yeah, mostly I told you everything. That's it. Thank you.